Hi guys, good evening. Today I will show you how to visualize millions of images stored in a folder using Python and see a different scale. So steps are similar to the previous video. In step 1, we have to select an appropriate language and package to choose from. In this case, I am using Python language and fill a package. Step 2 is a basic approach. We will create Pandas data frame that stores a list of locations of images which are present inside a folder path. We can include recursive folders path also. Then we can proceed to create a dropdown using lazy loading of Pandas data frame. I will show you then. So you can see the image is here, Pokemon image is here. This image is coming from Pandas data frame. There are total 808 images. So you can select any one of them. I have included resize option also. So suppose if we select 1.5, after the image is loaded, it will resize to 1.5. And you can see all of the images are given to 1.5. So this is the demo. So how to visualize multiple images at once. For this I am using Dash framework. The basic idea is to create a drop-down in Dash app with Pandas data frame that you get from OS package. Also needs to take care of recursive images present in a folder while creating functions as an input. What I mean by that is from OS package you will get a os.list.dir function or os.walk function. If you want to save recursively all of the images from the folder path. After saving all of the images in the pandas data frame, according to the index number of data frame, as you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, those are nothing but index number of the data frame. It's an input from the location data frame, and I am using the concept of lazy loading to select a single image at once. After selecting a single image name, this drop down will load that image and using below. Step for final step. So after doing all this, if you have reached till the end, you can add any kind of post-processing function to it. For demo purpose, I have included image decider using dropdown. This slider is nothing but image decider. So you can see image at different scales. There is some lossy compression happening, but apart from that, you can see a different resizing scale. So optional step. You can try to include save option as well to save images after you have resized them using Python and Dash. And your homework, I am happy to give to you. Is image dataset is a lot of feature generations available at Kaggle to play around with, which you can try to integrate smoothly with this data app and see the final outcome of your own version of this data. I am going to include all of the report links after this video is recorded. Thank you guys. Bye.